Hello, welcome to Grammar Made Simple, Parts of Speech, Highlighting Adverbs. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Did you know that most adverbs are made up of adjectives? The slow mouse, here in this sentence, this is an adjective. It is modifying the noun, mouse. But if I said the mouse slowly ran, how did the mouse run? Slowly. It is modifying the verb, ran. We're going to take a moment to change the following adjectives into adverbs. The quick mouse. The mouse quickly ran. The rare mouse. The mouse rarely ran. The lazy mouse. The mouse lazily ran. The loving mouse. The mouse lovingly ran. The useful mouse. The mouse usefully ran. The how, when, where, why modifies a verb. How much modifies an adjective or another adverb. Adverbs come before the word they modify. This is something that's good to know. If I said, yesterday, Henry ran by once or twice. When did Henry run? Yesterday. Henry ran where? By. Henry ran when? Once or twice. All four words are adverbs. Nico slept there very comfortably. Nico slept where? There. How did Nico sleep? Comfortably. How much? Very. 3 adverbs. Drew works carefully and efficiently. Drew works how? Carefully. And how? Efficiently. Not all adverbs come from adjectives, though. Some examples are well, almost, very, even, rather, never, not, now, often, where, there, then, here, and to. For example, Hudson's jacket is too warm now. To and now are both the adverbs. Charlie has never been there before. Never, there, when, before. 3 adverbs. Julian always has the right attitude. What does Julian have? Always has. Always is modifying the verb has. Thank you.